beach, the shores of Tripoli. Let me sail, let me sail, let me crash upon your ship. Let me reach, let me beach far beyond the yellow sea.
She's going to speak in Arabic.
أهلا وسهلا على اليونان.
And this is an actual Jordanian person. كيف حالك اليوم? You probably said fuck me, right? That's good weather today. It's pretty major. Good morning. It's probably about 5 o'clock. There's a huge thunderstorm. There was a big storm last night. And it's just starting to break up. My friends, this is our best-selling day. We're on a nice beam reach, right?
Gorgeous.
Two different clubs. Well, I'm probably starting at 22. I don't know the other one. But both of them are 22. Beautiful.
How's it going?
Good. Hey, good time.
Pretty exciting, huh?
Survived the storm and the water. Sailing. Good. Yeah. So